It is motherfucking hot. If you guys are ready to do this look, get ready now, because it's about to be lit. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Let's get this going. Let's get this makeup on. I am so excited today for a couple of reasons. Actually, for one main reason. And you guys know I am such a huge fan of TATTI lashes. Now you guys know I honestly have been talking about TATTI lashes on probably almost all my videos on my channel, and it's only because their lashes are literally one of the best lashes I've ever worn, and their lashes are my go-to, and I always recommend them. And if you guys are not aware of TATTI lashes yet, go ahead and check out TATTI lashes on Instagram. As a drag queen performer, I have never double stacked because I wear TATTI lashes. Like, I don't even feel like I need to adjust them. I never have to cut them. So today this video will be dedicated to TATTI lashes because I am officially, drumroll please, I now have a code to TATTI lashes. And I'm so excited to be a part of the TATTI Lash family. Check them out. They're totally affordable. And make sure now when you guys are purchasing lashes from TATTI Lashes, at the end of the purchase, type in my code Kimora15 and it saves you money off on your lashes. Thank you so much to TATTI Lashes. And you guys are amazing and I love you. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So that being said, since it's Pride Month, I mean, obviously it's like Pride every day for me, but it's Pride Month, and you guys have been loving this rainbow eye trend. I am actually obsessed with the rainbow eye trend. I've thought about what I was going to do today to make it really relatable, because I'm sure a lot of people don't really want to walk out the house with full-blown rainbow eyes. So I was like, you know what, maybe today we'll do like a very realistic, normal, wearable, going to get my coffee at the motherfucking Starbucks and not be stared at. I mean, honestly, people aren't staring at you, you're not doing anything right. I'm just kidding. Let's kind of see where it goes. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and get into this makeup. Oh my god, shut me up already. I want to do obviously some white on my waterline. You guys know me very well. I love a very bright waterline, especially when it comes to color, because it does make sure it pops. I'm going to be playing with some products today that I've had for a while, and I actually found that I forgot that I've had. The whole point of today's look is to do the most rainbow pigmented, simplest, hopefully, eye you can think of. So first of all, let's just go ahead and get the highlight underneath the eyebrow. I always like to brighten up my waterline and my underbrow first because they are like the whitest of the whitest, and I always like to make sure that white is on it because it really does help me know where the colors are going to stop. As long as it's a little lighter, it does help the brow pop more. So I'm taking out the Drug Lord, and I'm gonna start with this first because we really want to make sure it's super pigmented and super white. And if you need to go back and set it, it does help when you put it on first and you let it dry, because it is a liquid lipstick, and it dries on its own terms. Honestly, Jeffree Star lips, they dry super fast and it's really comfortable on the eyes. I mean, obviously it's not gonna be this fucking thick. I just looked in my mirror over here and it's thick. All right, you guys, so now let's go ahead and start laying down the colors. Honestly, you're gonna have to get like a lot of different brushes because usually about a brush per color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 brushes. So let's go ahead and start with the red shadow. And I'm just gonna lightly dip my brush into that. And what it's gonna do is, this is kind of the motion that I'm gonna do on here. And then I pick out another brush, and this is where we're gonna dip into the red shadow. I'm gonna use this color called Inferno, and we're gonna start making it very pigmented. So let's go ahead and get that going. So taking the pomade, now little goes a long way. Really bring in that red, and you want to control your color. You don't want to go very forced on. And every color that we do, we're gonna do on left eye and then we're gonna go into right eye, okay? This is why it's really important to do the white first, because putting on that white liner on top of all this color might come off really, I mean, you actually probably will make like a tie-dye, to be honest. So the red is done. We're just gonna have to use orange shadow. I mean, how can it be a fucking rainbow with no fucking orange? Actually, stop. Let's do the yellow first, because yellow I do have in a pomade. So taking a different brush, and then we're gonna go back and do the orange. I like to just really try my best to get my cream products on first. Cream products are really hard to use, but once you get the hang of it, you guys, it really is not that hard. It's all about how much you have on the brush. Oh my god, I feel like my shadows look like McDonald's. Oh no, 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 no. I want a really, really bright yellow. So taking the yellow and let's go ahead and just pack that on. I know I'm giving you guys McDonald's eyeshadow right now, but it's gonna change in a minute. I just wanted to make sure my yellow like literally looks yellow because there's been times where like I use a certain yellow and it just does not deliver. I haven't added the red shadow yet, okay? But right now we're just going to start adding it. So taking that brush, dip into that color Inferno from the Be Perfect palette and let's make this red. And then we're gonna go right back into with the orange. And right now we're just focusing on all the mattes and then we can go back and add everything else that we need to add. Shimmers, glitters, and whatever you guys wanna put. I'm gonna take out another brush and we're gonna dip into this color called Lit and it's the brightest orange I see in the palette. And let's go ahead and start blending this together. There's my half rainbow. Ooh, see? No more McDonald's. Blend that orange into the red. You'll start to find that really pretty color between the yellow and the orange. Remember you guys, clean brushes are the key to this because the clean brushes are what really is going to make sure the colors deliver. Now if you guys are dipping brushes and mixing colors, god man, sometimes when you do that you don't even know what colors you're about to put on your face because everything has been mixed and just hard to tell. Let's go ahead and start adding the green and try not to cover up that yellow, okay? So now taking that green on the bottom and going into like a circular motion. So pretty. Okay, now we're gonna jump right into the blue. So taking another brush, let's go ahead and get into that blue. That's a lot of blue. I haven't really decided if I was gonna cut the crease or not, but I feel like to make it super fashion and pretty, I think the crease might need to be cut. So now we have all the blues laid, so let's go ahead and get some clean brushes and we're gonna go ahead and tap some green right on top of that as well and mix that into the yellow and the blue. Ooh, that's so pigmented. Oh! I think I just messed up. Let's go ahead and dip into some blue and you want to mix that into the green. It's going to create like this really pretty mixture of blue and green. I feel like I'm giving you like Skittles. I want to make sure you guys, we are pointing that shadow going up and let's go ahead and get some purple on that as well. This color is called Wasted. It's in the Be Perfect palette. I'm just really picking the most brightest color. And then when you guys are blending out, blend out and up. You're gonna start to create like this really pretty, like pulled out shadow. Now, if you covered up that blue a little bit, go ahead and take out like a darker blue. This color is called Mood. Oh, that's so pretty. And then last but not least, taking a hot pink, because we love hot pink. Let's go ahead and just really blend out that purple. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and take that Jeffree Star out and let's go ahead and reline that white. And now we're gonna get to the fun part. So we're gonna cut this crease to the point where like I want to eliminate everything that's on the crease because we want that eyeshadow to really, really pop. Just cut it completely, okay? And you might have to use a lot. This time I didn't go back with a makeup remover. And I want you guys to cover the edge of the eye as well. My left eye is not doing what it's supposed to do. I think because I'm mixing up the colors too much. Now we can set the lid and then we can start adding more color in to really make sure it pops. All right, so we're gonna do something fun here. Taking the brush with the red color on it, we're gonna take in some maroon colors and like almost like a violet, and we're gonna just blend in and start to kind of create this multicolor red. I thought about putting red right there, but I think a purple might look better because it will add like that perfect fade. Let's go ahead and add some pink. Let's get some pink in here and just really get it rainbow-esque like that. Wow. And then let's go ahead and get some of that green. I think green would be a good choice. And let's start blending in right here, because that's really what's gonna make it pop. And then we're gonna bring in some different shades of blue because I feel like blue really makes the rainbow color pop. Let's go ahead and grab some blue and let's bring it in the edge. So I almost did like a very backwards, I don't know, like a backwards rainbow spot eye. So what you could do right now, you guys, is that we can actually take a big brush and let's start, because I love yellows to blend out. So taking a little bit of yellow and just really blending all the colors out, because I find that when you mix yellows with certain colors, it does blend out very nice. So I did a little bit on the bottom And then now, let's go ahead and pull out your favorite wing liner. I'm gonna pull out Haus Labs, obviously. Let's go ahead and just line a very thin line. This is a very, very thin line. Okay, so taking a brush, let's go ahead and dust off everything. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna highlight my face, get some blush on, do my lips. We're gonna get ready for a moment with TATTI lashes. I am living! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have to add a little extra pink here to kind of give it like this blown out kind of moment. And you know, just kind of, I went like this, feeling it. Ooh. Okay, come on. So excited because I am officially a part of the TATTI Lash family. Now listen, y'all know I've always been a part of the family, but now I'm able to save you guys some money. So make sure you guys are using my code Kimora15 at the end of the purchase. Lashes are one of those things. I will pay full price. I love lashes. If I love them, I will pay for them, and I love them, love them, love them. So the official code is Kimora15. TATTI sent over some new lashes. Now these are, y'all know I love the Mitchell and TATTI collab. Those are one of the most legendary, fluffiest lashes I've ever seen in my entire life. But they have them in the faux fur version, which I'm like super excited for. We're gonna go ahead and play with one of these today. And then they also have some bottom lashes that we're gonna pluck onto the bottom of my lashes today as well to make sure we give you guys the full look. And just, girl, I'm ready to slay it. Let's get the scissors and cut this part like that. Pulling them out. They come out and oh my god, they do come with glue. So TATTI has some glue here. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and play with the glue that it comes with versus the glue that you can purchase on the side as well. They're super fluffy, super 3D. I mean, these are so full. Like, I don't even know if I even need to curl them or this is it. There's no mascara needed. I actually rarely put mascara on TATTI lashes. They're literally so full that you don't really need them. The only time I do tend to put on mascara is if they just need to be fuller. But honestly, in this case, like, they're so full that you don't even need them. So these are the bottom lashes right here. They're tiny and so cute. Let's just go ahead and double check this fits my eye. 9 out of 10 times, they usually do fit my eye. Let's see how they look. Oh my god. Like, what is going on? I'm so gagged. And the glue is literally, it dries so fast. I'm like so obsessed. Usually like backstage at a show, I would have to like use a blow dryer to like blow dry them down. Like, I don't even need to put any mascara. So that means it's gonna last 10 times longer than it needs to. Like, that literally just did the difference. And I don't even fucking feel them, which is great. Taking my tweezers from TATTI Lashes and in the lashes. So let's go ahead and just go down the line. Usually I start with the one in the middle because those are the longest. And I just pluck them off. Oh, wow. That's so fucking pretty, bitch. I'm gagged. That yellow underneath this lash is like my favorite. Ooh, honey. I definitely taste the rainbow. TATTI lashes. I'm so excited. Oh, TATTI. I fucking live for TATTI lashes. Like, ugh, I'm totally like living. All right, you guys, it's that time to motherfucking put on a wig. I have to change my lip. The nude was not happening. I put on this black wig. I was like, oh my god. I'm like, this is too much. We need to amp it up. So you know what? I just took me a black liner, some black lipstick, and called it a motherfucking day. You guys, how are we living for this look? Okay, so I did not plan this to go. I was planning to do something very light. This is a very light beat. Like, this is a very natural beat. Like, what do you guys think? Natural beat or what? This is like, honestly, natural beat. I would go on a job interview right now. I'd be like, hi, you need to hire me because I'm natural beat. Just kidding. You guys, happy fucking Pride. OMG, I'm so excited we did this look together today, you guys. I can't even say how excited I was to do a rainbow look again. You guys know I love color now. Before that, I'm like terrified of fucking color, but now all you see is color. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I have 2 videos a fucking week. I'm cool, I'm down to earth. I talk a little shit here and there. But you guys, the thing about my channel is that I'm here to inspire you with makeup and keep this channel positive. Keep this channel free drama. Unless a bitch really wants to come for me, then but you guys know, I rarely step out of my bitch box and let you guys have it. This is all about being inspiring and having fun with makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the meantime, I love you, and you guys know what? Have a fucking amazing weekend, bitch. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go take some fucking selfies. Make sure y'all, I'll see y'all later.